very chaotic month, so why not just vlog it? Cause just why not? Life is interesting. Why shouldn't my vlog be too? And I had a meeting with the client because just being an influencer ain't cutting it. The marketing girly that I am, I have to monetize on that because influencer payments come after like 60 days and it's just not. And selling feed pics on the internet is not viable. I'm sorry if my mom is watching this, but yeah, so I'm gonna take you through my exhausting yet really fun month. There's a lot of travel in the second half of the month. It's the financial year of 2024 and I have zero finances. Just influencer life, marketing girl life, and this is my life. I'm always in a cab just traveling to places. It's also very hot in Bombay and driving to places just doesn't cut it because there's so much traffic. So let's take you with me through the month. A little fit check. Lakey Road, Hill Road shades. Branded shirt. I don't know what brand also, but it's a cotton oversized shirt. A white mini skirt. My favorite Charles and Keith bag. I got this in Vietnam for like dirt cheap for some reason. There was like some crazy sale in the store. But yeah, and my New Balance sneakers. Sun is sunning. The sky looks so pretty. Wow, just wow. What's up, Sam? Where do you stay? After the electricity in your house.
ਅਸੀਂ ਹਮਰ ਕਢਾਈ ਹੈ ਚੱਲ ਬਈ ਹੁਣ
ਸਾਰੇ ਰਾਇਲ ਫੀਡ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਮਰ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦਾ ਨਾਲ ਪਾਗਲਾ
ਮੈਂ ਕਹਿ ਰਿਹਾ ਤੂੰ ਉੱਤਰ ਜਾਵਾ ਸਾਡੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਹੋਰ ਵੱਧ ਜੂ ਹੈ
ਮੈਂ ਇਥੋਂ ਕੈਬ ਕਰਾ ਲਾਂ
Guys, in the comment section, please translate any Punjabi.
ਆਟੋ ਜੋ ਨਿਕਲ ਬਈ ਇੱਥੇ ਕੈਬ
That's Disha, y'all have met her before. Say hi to my vlog. Nahi, ma'am. Tulli,
ਯਾ bro
say hi to my vlog.
ਹੈਲੋ
Clickbait. Chandigarh boy gets robbed in Bombay.
विदाउट स्प्राइट विदाउट स्प्राइट यहाँ पे नोबल
Bombay
कैफे
is out of Sprite.
नोबल कैफे
But
पे
we
डोलो
have-
खाओ रात को
It's Monday, 8th April, and Monday hasn't Mondayed this hard. Got a lot of shit done. Weekend was great. I think Sunday I did like a family cute day. Saturday was a lot of partying, from which you can see the vlog. It was fun, and Bastion is kind of overrated. Like, this is my opinion, unsolicited opinion on that, but it is kind of overrated. Like, the crowd is just not your age. I can say that. That's about it. And there are many creeps in the club. For a place like that where you're paying so much, you wouldn't expect creepy men around you, and that was the case. So that's about that. Life is such. I'm working at home today. I usually prefer working out from a cafe because then you have more of I think you just don't get as distracted as you would at home. So I'm just gonna finish up work. I'm gonna show you my setup. There's just some mails being sent, outfit sourcing happening, and it is so hot, bro. Like, Bombay has reached 35 to 40, and well, I'm gonna Delhi the next week, so it's gonna be worse over there. So also my hair's turned red since the last time you saw me because of Holi. My hair was pre-lightened and the color just stuck, so I have red and golden and brown and some white hair all of it together. Nothing too aesthetic. That is my book with my vision board. This is my daily planner. That's my laptop. That's my water bottle, glass, whatever. That's my mouse. Unknown fact about me, I cannot work without a mouse. Like, I cannot handle a laptop without a mouse. That's my book, which I am sort of reading and sort of not reading. Those are all the PR things I need to sort out, so I'm gonna do that. We're headed to watch Kung Fu Panda 4, and I'm stuck in Bombay traffic as the usual. That's my sister. Hi guys, my hair is having its moment. I don't know what to call it anymore. It's just in its era. So that's that. Today's a shoot day, and it's also very sunny, so hydrate. Today I'm doing a video on I'm doing these series of Sunday skin skincare Sunday sesh where I talk about like 5 brands of my liking, and in a certain particular like thing, like if it is sunscreens, if it's moisturizers. So today I'm shooting on moisturizers. So do check that out. I have procrastinated the shoot so much. I feel once you start shooting on a regular basis, it gets a very like it's work. When I started content, I used to get so excited to take time out and like shoot these things. But life is such, so you gotta do what you gotta do. And I'm wearing this really cute robe on top to give it a very sultry skincare effect. So this is my really aesthetic gym washroom. We got a workout in. It's an evening workout. I hate those, but it's one of those days we did upper body. So yeah, we do 10k steps daily, or at least we try to. So you see these ab lines be coming. Hi guys, this is my look for Benefit Cosmetics shoot. They're doing my eyebrows and everything. So that is exciting. Makeup is makeuping. I love the vibe. Hi guys, another day of me in an Uber just driving around the city. And these shades are from Linking Road, bro, and 200 rupees. They look so nice. I got them for a shoot and they have just stuck. They are not coming out of my looks. I'm loving the makeup. It's looking crispy, juicy. I'm getting my eyebrows. Benefit has this thing, and after that, if anyone knows me, knows how much I love Diljit Dosanjh. I'm going for his concert and it's gonna be so sick. I cannot wait. I'm looking forward to that because the next few weeks are gonna be so hectic. It's the perfect detox. So I cannot wait, and I hope I can vlog something or the other, and if I don't, I'm gonna just have a baller time. Here for Diljit Dosanjh. Hot as hell.
What just hit you?
Off the way, don't call slip and let them know where we're at. You gotta value my life. Cause imagine I give me the hundred.
So one of our really close school friend is getting engaged, so we had like a proper dance performance for his fiance planned, and that's him doing his grand reveal jump which we all planned for. It was a crazy night. It was really crazy. We are hustling and bustling this April. Yesterday was the most hectic day of my life. I had a freelance client shoot, then I had an event. Then I had an event, and then I met my influencer friend. We had like some food, then I had to come back and pack for what's coming next. Today is all about TLC. I need the much needed hair spa, nails, everything, so we're going to do that. Tomorrow is another really big shoot, so I'm hopefully going to vlog that because it's a chaotic life of Bims. All set to recharge and say hello to a holiday. Hi guys, good morning. It's not 4 a.m, it's actually 5 a.m. Woke up at 4 a.m. There's a flight to catch. I don't realize how when there's a flight you can manage to wake up, but otherwise kuch aur kaam hota to you never wake up on time. But we're going to Delhi. It's my friend's brother's wedding, and it's going to be 48 hours in Delhi, full masti maza and lots of fun. So cannot wait, and I'm going to take you through with me for this fun journey. Not an ideal look. I would never wear jeans to an airport, but I have some errands to run as soon as I land. So that's it. Hey guys, this is Disha. That used to be my work wife, Javesh. Jivesh, fucking say hello to my vlog.
Yo,
Have you subscribed to my YouTube?
obviously, bro.
Yeah, I don't think he has. At the airport.
I'll show
Let's
you.
go. I guess as a group, this was our first trip taking over to Delhi, and of course, McDonald's pit stop was inevitable, even though like our flight was just like 5 minutes into boarding. Lol, I love how I showed an Emirates plane, but I was going Air India, Uno reverse, haha. And what's up with Air India's whatever this was?
टेक ऑफ और लैंडिंग के दौरान लैपटॉप जैसे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक उपकरणों का उपयोग करना मना है। मोबाइल फोन जैसे तू है तो लम्बा खूबसूरत।
Jivesh is our corporate boy who has probably lied to his company and killed a relative in a fake way to come for this wedding. We are in Delhi when these hands look very questionable.
What is this?
Hassan is the next in line dula for which we are here, and it's his brother's wedding.
Taking a holiday. My manager's taking a holiday. My designer's taking a holiday, bro.
बहुत धूप है यार. It's too hot. Guys, we're at the hotel after a long drive.
No one texts. They all say call.
Tring tring. So learn how to pick up.
Learn how to live in the 21st century. It is the most irritating thing.
देखो मैं facts भेजूंगी अभी. Say hi to my vlog. You are so late. That's Hassan with the unlimited buffet, of course, and this is my look for the mehndi. Guys, we all are looking laddu pila, and Dev is looking like Dev.
There's a video.
Yeah, just.
भाई इधर भी everywhere.
This is Hassan doing a Nika.com photo shoot for his wedding, and this was the function. Pretty cute, pretty tight, and हमारा काम था खाना खाना. हम वो करके निकल गए पार्टी करने. We went to Dirty Good to get some drinks and dinner. Jivesh had a Mogra gin. Never mixed Mogra with gin because that was him throughout the night after. We went to Chica that was right next to Dirty Good. We honestly expected a lot from the clubbing scene in Delhi, but it wasn't really up to the mark. That was my look for the wedding itself. I looked really beautiful. This was our entire group's outfit. Dev and I literally camouflaged. We all are sitting in a bus. So apparently this is a Delhi thing. There were bodyguards for the groom while he entered. Very bougie, but yeah, that's exactly how the groom had entered, and this was so grand, like with all the music and all. It felt like a Jodha Akbar wedding, to be honest. This felt straight out of a concert. We could see our friend right there with the groom, and it was displayed all over the screen. Okay, I'm gonna end this debate right here. Delhi food is way better than Bombay food.
ये तो जॉगर्स पार्क से वाले थे सुंदर है ना जॉगर्स पार्क ये तो
Oh my god, ये क्या था? Well, to maintain the vibe, we were listening to Sufi music, and we all were practically in a food coma, so just rested for a bit and went back for round 2 of food.
But like this is better.
Inspiration always and many more happiness and
Just shut the fuck up, Disha.
Since the time we boarded the
Those are intoxicated, bro. To do some Delhi touristy things, we went to Khan Market and checked out the creamery. I forgot the name. Apparently, this is really nice. Also went to Yum Yum Cha, ordered every goddamn thing on the menu. It was really good. Like 100 out of 10. Want Yum Yum Cha to come in Bombay as well. It was so nice. Moving on to the party scene, Kia mein hame entry nahi mili, which was really sad. Felt really South Delhi, sad girl vibes. But also Kia is known as like the tryst of Bombay. So we went to Bergamo, which was a very cool vibe. We had lots and lots of shots to maintain the last night vibe in Delhi. Okay, mind you, we also had to leave for the airport by 5:15 because where we were staying was like 1 hour away from the airport, and we partied hard that night, like really hard. Is the night even complete without a drunk singing video in the bathroom? So, well, we did that and continued the party later in our hotel. And that lasted for like 15 minutes at max because this happened. Dave, what time is our flight?
Where did my LIT go?
So at this point, we were really late for our flight, and of course, ma'am had the true questions to ask as to where was her LIT.
It has to be somewhere.
She chucked it. Hassan chucked it in the sink.
Hassan, what the fuck is wrong with you? I told you. And you just keep quiet. For you, it's camera lens.
All that yum cha had turned into yuck cha at this point, and we somehow managed to leave for the airport. It's the end of my 48 hours in Delhi. It was a nuisance. Our trip is officially over. I don't want to see Dev for another month. I'm seeing Tisha in an hour for a brunch, and Jayesh is a sweet too, we can manage. And in an hour, we just quickly got ready and went for our friend's engagement. That is literally one of our closest friends getting married in our circle. That's the first engagement of our circle. We're really excited and happy for them. Hi guys, we are back at it. We had a 24-hour halt in Bombay where I had to go attend my best friend's function. He's getting married. It's the first person from my entire group getting married. And now I am again on my way to the airport for an exciting cousin's trip. So that's gonna be fun. Didi, do you want to say hi to my vlog? She's saying no, but whatever. The cousins trip that finally made it out of the group chat after a lot of planning. We are here, ready to go to Bangalore. We're planning to shoot a reel like our Vietnam thing, but we can't think of a concept and now it's too late. That employed elder sister who finally gets to take a break. You can see the happiness on her face. Apparently the Bangalore airport is super bougie. Dream, wake up, I'm critical. Or you can tell me another any South Indian song. One Tawa for my vlog. This is the face of someone who's just slept for one night. My sister's also become a content creator. Stamps and stories, please go follow. Everyone from YouTube, go to Instagram, follow. And everyone from YouTube, go to YouTube and follow too. So yeah, we're very tired. Bangalore में बड़ी गर्मी नहीं है. It's weird, like it's not Bombay hot, of course, nor is it Delhi hot. And I also realized I went from north of India to south of India in literally less than 1 day. Wow. Life has been me living out of luggage bags, that's it. To kickstart our trip, we had dinner at Puli Munchi. The ghee roast and the kori roti was phenomenal. Hi, sweetie. Hi. Hi, guys. Good morning. We are going to Kabini today. It must be 7 a.m. or something. Got here last night. It's my cousin's house. And really excited. We're going for some safari and all.
Good morning.
Good morning from the Punjabi sisters. If we end up starting a vlog, we're going to call it Saggi Sisters.
Saggi Sisters.
No, like a podcast. Where are we going, Didi?
We are going to Kabini, and for that we'll head for breakfast.
We are going to have Thatte Idli. In Bombay, it's called Thaat Idli. But it's like a pancake idli. And we are so lost with the words here. It's a culture shock happening. That's Gautam, my younger brother. That's Priya. Say hi to my vlog. Hi. After seeing all the Haseen Wadia, it was time to get to the deal that was idli dosa and some filter coffee. This idli was as soft as a cloud, like it was like eating a cloud. After seeing some more Haseen Wadia, we reached our resort at Kabini. It was the Fireflies resort and it was just too beautiful. Guys, let's do a room tour in Kabini. There's like a cute seating area with your coffee and everything. This is our bed. It's actually a very spacious room because we're literally in between of a forest. And the best part is the washroom. Just look at how it looks. And then that's the shower area. What are we going for? Safari time. We already have enough monkeys that we see in Bombay. Gautam is safari ready. You have any words for my vlog? Say hi.
Subscribe to our channel, guys.
As soon as we entered the forest, we were greeted by this elephant and this super breathtaking view and way too many deers. I might have seen like 500 to 1000 deers that day, and these elephants just chilling by the river. The view was like pretty phenomenal. If you go to see, we were in this jeep with a lot of other photographers. Okay, we were really lucky to have seen this. The tigers was just chilling by the pond, and then we ended the safari and the day by just chilling next to the bonfire and talking and gossiping quite a lot, but everything went down the drain after. Third day update, I have fallen sick and how my sister's taking care of me. Mom, if you're watching this, I miss you. There's something like whenever you fall sick, mothers are the first thing you miss. A Vicks on my head, bro. Not eaten anything. It's like 6 p.m. Really dead. Let's hope I'm feeling better. Tomorrow these guys are gonna go to swim. Our safari was amazing yesterday. We saw a tigress just chilling by the river. Didi, say hi to my vlog. She's listening to techno music. Okay, whatever. So I totally skipped the other day because I was so sick, but we ended up going to Pujari Fishland the next day as we were getting back home. I'm on Telu today and this is drinking lots of coconut water. Didi has taken care of me a lot. I was so sick in Kabini. You're a fairy, no? What's your fairy name? Give your fairy name. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog again. I am in the pink of my health, as my sister says. I was so sick in Kabini. There was like no going back. I thought I'm gonna, but anyways, I'm fine now. I'm gonna show you my outfit. We all are going bowling. This is my brother's overachieving books and I don't know, something he's written. But yeah, it's gonna be a fun time. We all are going bowling and यहाँ पे elections है आज, so it's gonna be thoda low key. But tomorrow we have a very exciting thing. We're gonna fly a plane. Like I'm gonna be the co-pilot of that plane. So honestly, I don't know why people crib about Bangalore so much. Church Street in Bangalore is a vibe. This place popped a lot. Really old school of us, but we went to Amoeba to play some bowling and arcade. Hindi, what are we doing?
Oh God, no! I don't speak Hindi.
You have.
I live in Bangalore.
हम आज क्या करने आए?
हम आज party करेंगे.
This is me trying really hard and putting like zero efforts into getting a strike. Of course, it went in the gutter. Then we went to UB City, which I think my sister and I fell in love with this mall. Give a shout out to yourself. Stamps and stories, please follow. We had dinner at S'more and also gave food to Sweetie once we returned. Guys, it's the second last day in Bangalore. I'm talking quietly because it's 6 a.m. and I'm looking like this, all dressed, because we are dogs playing on the road. Because we are going to fly. We're doing this thing where I'll be the co-pilot for like 10-15 minutes and we'll get to fly. It's called Mayfly or something. Oh, look, Sweetie. I'll show you. She's the resident dog here. That's not Sweetie, but that's a cute dog. Where is Sweetie? Sweetie is somewhere here usually. We were here to fly our really small plane actually. It was a very fighter kind of a scene. We were walking like it was some Tashan movie. Just look at all of us walking till our flight, and really nerve-wracking and very exciting experience altogether. This is my brother, kind of disappointed because the flight itself was a very short experience, like it didn't last quite long, and you could see the entire city, but it was barely for like 4 minutes. And as for co-piloting, really you just got to touch that whatever thing it was, the steering thing, and that's about it. That we just turned it a bit and like he helped me land the plane, and that's literally about it. Nothing extra. We paid quite a lot for this for 4 minutes, so maybe just skip the microlight flying experience. It was like 7 grand per person, which would make total sense if this was like 15 minutes long, but this was literally just for 4 minutes, so not really worth it. My brother lost his car key in the goddamn flight. So around 8:39 a.m. we halted for breakfast. We got some really good dosa in this mall. I'll put the name down. And then there was Milano's cold coffee, which I have fallen in love with. Milano needs to open in Bombay like right now. The gelato was also really decadent and very flavorful. Hi guys, rickshaw travel in Belore city. Uber is an issue here. It is so hot. It is genuinely very hot. And we are going to UB City. We really like the mall. We also like this one. What was the name of the place? Some soft, uncooked brown ice cream we've had that we really liked. So we're going to get that. Fun, exciting. This is my no makeup look with actually no makeup and lip balm and shades and cool hairstyle and simple outfit. It's too hot. This was the second time we went to UB City. We clearly loved the mall quite a lot, and just the interior of the mall was done so grand. This mall is so aesthetic, man. Just look at this. Loving the vibes, but we are so dead and sleepy. So we actually were pretty dead from walking around and just the trip all in general. So we stopped at Cafe Noor and ate this mushroom stuffed garlic bread and just relaxed for a bit. Hi guys, this mall is really nice, right? Very good. It has some different vibe altogether. Doesn't look like it's in India for some reason, and this is not me shitting India or something, but it's just a very nice vibe to it. Guys, the underbaked cake brownie with the salted caramel is literally the best. It's the best seller here also at UB City. I don't know the name of the place. It says Amadora. After pre-gaming at my cousin's, we got ready to head out and do some clubbing. It was the last night in Bangalore. We started off with Kaze. Very bougie again. We had some sushi over here and then went to Mirage, which had a lot of techno. Next day we went to Oya, Bangalore for brunch. Oya is around 1 hour away from where we were staying, but definitely worth trying out. The ambience, the vibe, the aesthetics, the food, the outfit that I was wearing, oh my god. At the famous corner house. This is Death by Chocolate, recommended by many. I had to sweet talk Akasa. They were really sweet. They subscribed to my channel also. My bags were really overweight, but they bumped me to a better seat as well. The inflows have met. Say hi to my vlog. You'll know her from the Diwali reel. And that's about it, guys. That was my April vlog filled with lots of fun, travel, laughter, food. And if you like more of these kind of vlogs, let me know in the comments and I'll do many more for you.